Well, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for joining us. My name is Jeff Pollock. I'm CEO of Idencia.
And good afternoon. My name is John T. Leak. I'm the Vice President of Product and Customer Experience here at Idencia.
We have several of our other team members on the call, including Carrie Lartz, who will be talking a little bit at the end. She's our customer success manager. So, you know that moment before an audit where everyone says, we're fine. Well, it's usually just after that that the scramble starts. And what we consistently hear is similar to what you see in this picture here. People scrambling to gather records, not fully confident in documentation, digging through disconnected systems, and hoping nothing gets missed. And we know this falls on you. You are accountable for the results, but you don't always have the visibility to control them. And we know that that's very frustrating. Now, at the same time, we also know that you're being asked to do more with fewer people. There's increasing complexity in the work that you're doing. Your bosses have real-time expectations for information, and we all feel how the stress is growing. So actually, it's not audits that are the problem. They expose the problems that the plant has in managing information. And we'd like to ask our first question. And that question is, what are your biggest audit challenges?
And if I could take a moment to just kind of prime your thinking, if I could ask, how much time do you all spend just maybe searching through filing cabinets? And if you upload to the MPC portal, what about just the time that's spent managing that?
Robert says, entire day is filled in in a filing cabinet. Actually, we've heard that a lot. In fact, I
Yes.
remember going into a precast operation and they took me into a separate room that was just filled with filing cabinets for quality control. What is fixing it actually, what that should that look like? And it's really what I was just talking about. Instead of scrambling during an audit, everything should be visible and really instantly available.
This is really why I would say Idencia exists. We are here to connect, clarify, automate, and scale your operation, however that looks like. And so what we'll do is work very closely with your team so that you get the visibility that you need, because ultimately our goal is that audits become more routine and heck of a lot less stressful. So, and the way we do that now, as you can see, you see a screenshot. This is a screenshot of our mobile app. Way we do that, customers rave about our mobile app because you can collect data very easy, and then it's very easy to use. You only have to collect the data once and via that mobile device, and it's always there in the system. We're able to have generate reports that are generated automatically, and then those reports remain in the system along with dashboards that we're able to create off of the data, so that there is no reconstruction later when you're under pressure. Within your current process, where does it fall apart?
And by that, we're really talking about preparing for an audit. Where are the most difficult parts of audits for you? Is it in the preparation, the work it takes to be ready for that auditor when they come, or is it during the audit, or is it just issues resulting from the way you're currently set up in your system? Robert says, with so many different timelines to remember, what's quarterly or semi-annually is the hardest. I didn't see that. Generally, the day-to-day is the easiest to handle. Okay. There's no central lookup to know. Yeah. Well, that's exactly what we're talking about.
You hit on a lot of points of why Idencia Audit Readiness is here. You will have everything you need to be prepared for an audit. You can record your concrete test, you can record your cylinder breaks, uh, calibrations of equipment, personnel certification, meeting notes. You can capture just about anything you need and have it readily available. And I know we're here talking about the audit readiness, but I do want you to know that it's not just about software. We want to make sure that you get results. So again, our goal is just very simple, and that's to just help you get your audit so it becomes routine and a whole heck of a lot less stressful.
We do have essentially tickler files set up so that you know 6 months out who needs new certifications and what needs to be calibrated and so forth. So you can come in to work with all that having been organized and know and get to work rather than having to figure that all out. Well, thank you everybody for attending. We appreciate your interest. We do really enjoy working with the precast concrete industry, and we welcome an opportunity to do that with you as well.